Hey y'all. So, the following video is from my Instagram TV channel. It was very popular, and I was told several times that it was extremely helpful. So, I decided to share it with all of you too. Remember now that this was meant for Instagram TV. So, there will be black bars on the side since the ratio is different on Instagram TV than on YouTube. Don't forget, after you watch this video, to like, share it, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Here we go.
Hi you guys, so I am inside of Office Depot and I just want to make a video to let you all know that you do not have to spend a lot of money to get things that you really need. So I'm going to show you a few different labels for shipping and a few different ways that I get ready for a pop-up shop or to be at an event. So for shipping labels, you should have a printer at home. Make sure you get these Avery Internet shipping labels. They are the shipping labels that you can use to put on your packages. I have a ton of these and they come in handy because I can print out my labels at home. And on Shopify, you can actually get postage cheaper if you purchase it through Shopify. So this is what I use. Comes in handy, you guys. You can also get full sheet shipping labels if you need to, but if you get these, they print out the address and everything for you. You can also get labels like this, stickers to put on envelopes, but you can also use these to put on your tissue paper if you wrap your items in tissue paper. Something else I want to show you. When I am getting ready for a pop-up shop or an event, I get these. Let me get it out for you guys. Hold on. They are printable tags with strings, and I can put these on my merchandise. So I print them on one side with my logo, and then I print out my barcodes with this. These are print to a square labels, and as you can see, you get a barcode right here, and I put that on the back of my price tag, so that way I can easily just scan that barcode on my Shopify app and check the customers out as if they're at an actual register. Something else that comes in handy that I have been using, if you don't want to use those other labels, you can use these for labeling. And if you have a beauty business, you can also get these. So as you can see, there are a ton of ways that you can do things yourself instead of worrying about a designer or getting things printed out. These printable tags with strings, there are 96 in there with 100 strings, and they are $18.99. You can also buy this stuff wholesale, I think, on eBay. If you buy it on eBay, I'm sure it's a little bit cheaper, but right now I just got asked to be a vendor at an event last minute, so I don't have any more of these items at home. So that's why I'm having to be in here now. So just come down an aisle, find all of the Avery shipping labels, and this will come in handy, you guys. Alright, so I hope this video was informative for you. I'm sorry if I'm talking really low. I am in the store. If you all have any questions, feel free to reach out. Bye.